Here we go. Another vid, another story. Lil Yachty, the rapper, addresses rapper Karrahbooo on his live. And if I'm not mistaken, he announced that he's letting her go. And remember, I showed you guys this live stream in about February. In one of my live streams, I showed you that video. Sorry, this post. I don't know if you remember this post that I showed you, where basically Karrahbooo basically exposed that her and Lil Yachty was screwing around, and I showed you like guys like several videos of proof. Anybody that watched the live stream, say an amen in the comment section. Can I get an amen in the comment section? I already showed a lot of people this. I think Pyro was in the live stream. I don't remember who else. I know Pyro was there. I know Pyro was there, but this is the disaster, what comes with when you have females on your label or in your crew, because we already know what she's there for. She's there to service the members or whoever's the CEO of the group. And now eventually you're going to have to let her go because she's going to be too much of a liability, and it's going to be a messy quote unquote breakup, even though y'all were never officially together. But we saw how y'all was looking at each other in the studio. I showed y'all that video as well. I was like, they screwing. They screwing. And then you had all these simps trying to convince me that Karrahbooo was a talented, and I'm like, God, that bitch is a bust down for the team. Lil Yachty paying for everything. I remember telling people this, but people still don't understand what the game is, And on top of that, it does help that Karrahbooo is light skinned. So, anyways, let's hear Lil Yachty address Karrahbooo, the female rapper that he's not going to admit that he was fucking, but he was fucking her. But let's listen to Lil Yachty here.
All I ever did was help care. If you want to tell the whole story, go ahead and tell people how you verbally abuse people. All right, don't get on here and make it seem like I kicked you out. I kicked you out because bullying you, bro. Go ahead and tell people how you talk to people. How you tell my security guard, oh, you homeless, oh, you work for me, oh, you ain't got no, you're poor, and we above you, and how you.
Lil Yachty is not lying. This is the stuff that happens when you sign female artists on your label, but you're fucking that female artist. She's going to act like she has a la carte privilege over all the people that work for you just because you're screwing her. This is the danger. And I remember when I showed that video in February, I believe it was either February or March, because I remember I never dropped the official video. I just dropped it on the live stream. I said, I'm like, Lil Yachty, you better not get in trouble with this bitch. Because everybody and their mama could see y'all was fucking. Everybody can see that. But the problem is when you sign female artists, Rick Ross told you what it is when you sign female artists, and you end up screwing with them. They start this is the stuff that happens. So right here, just him saying that, what he just said, how she talks down to everybody, her being verbally abusive, and that video. What's the other video? If I could show that. What's the other video? This video right here. This one when it went viral.
Rounds like fighting. If I didn't think that, I would probably think rounds like guns going off. But
oh no, that's not the video. This is hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on for a second, guys. That's just the video of her trying to explain what she did away. Hold on, guys. Hold on for a second. Come on, y'all remember this video, right? Where he's like, you can't even last one round and all this stuff. And I was like, whoa. And because she was emotional, she put it on live, and then she had to kind of explain it away. She was talking about a video game. I say, bitch, if you don't hey, yo, hold on for a second. Let me play that video real quick.
Scared. He's scared. Huh? And that's y'all president. That's who y'all look up to. Y'all talking about one night this, one night that. The fuck? He can't even last one round. Like, you're running, you're scared.
Remember that? And then this is how she tried to explain this. This is how she tried to explain this video away. This is how she tried to explain it away. This is hilarious.
y'all didn't think that because y'all horny. All y'all do is sit on and look at porn all day and be on Twitter talking about people y'all don't know all day. And you know what else? Y'all never did nothing in your life. You're civilians. You have no history. You never did no crime. And that's why y'all didn't even think about the other type of rounds like guns going off or people fighting. Rounds like fighting. If I didn't think that, I would probably think rounds like guns going off.
Bitch, we was born at what's that say? We were what's that say? Bitch, we was born at night, not last night. Oh man, the irony of me almost effing up that statement. But come on, stop. We not stupid. I hate it when women do stuff like this. Act like we didn't see what we just saw. You know what I mean? But anyways,
You talk to people like they nothing. You talk to people like they small, like they beneath you.
this is what happens when you screwing your female artists. I keep so men beware of this.
Bro, hold on. Tell people how you verbally abuse people. How you told me you're gonna spit on me when you see me. Tell people how you talk to people, bro. How you your brain is clinically imbalanced, bro. How you disrespect people. How you yeah.
Hey, by the way, I find Karrahbooo incredibly unattractive. She needs to thank her lucky stars that she is light skinned and she's willing to bust down for the team. Because if it wasn't for that, like people would be on people would be on her neck. Like you see the way people be on Sexy Red's neck, people would be on her neck. Because like to me, Sexy Red, Karrahbooo, icy spicy, whatever spicy latte, these are all the same people to me. These are all the same people to me. No difference. No difference. It's just that Sexy Red is gonna get the backlash. Anyway, that's just my theory on that. Anyways, let's get to the next clip.
Life. I've been letting you do this whole thing where you act like you like a princess and you sweet and you know like, oh, you just such a good girl, bro.
Yeah, you was fucking. Just admit you was fucking. just admit, because no, it wasn't. I don't believe it was just him screwing with the girl. I believe it was the whole team screwing with the girl.
Well, stop the front, bro. We didn't internally. We have withheld your actions since the beginning of me giving you this career.
Yeah, that means they ran a train on this bitch. Lil Yachty, chill out before she Me Too y'all. Chill out before she Me Too y'all. She gonna say she a victim next. Please relax, Lil Yachty. Don't expose her that much. That is she gonna pull a Me Too. Watch.
What are we talking about, bro? What you even talking about, bro? You don't even do nothing. What the yo, bro? It's so crazy to me, bro, because I've given you a career, and time to time you just disrespect me. I wrote every verse you've done. I dressed you. I dressed all 5 of y'all, bro. I dressed 5 niggas every time we stepped out the house. I put an outfit on everybody. I put 8-carat earrings and everybody.
He's not lying. He's not lying. Continue.
Here, life. I've been letting you do this whole thing.
Lil Yachty needs to chill before she Me Too's. Hold on, let me look on Twitter let me look on Twitter real quick. Hopefully she, because he's still trending, if I'm not mistaken. The last time I checked Twitter this afternoon, he was trending. He needs to chill before she Me Too this day. You already know that's next, guys. You already know. Okay, I don't think he's trending anymore. Let's see. Let's look, because I'm on Twitter right now. I'm on Twitter. Oh, by the way, follow Z-Bear on Twitter. This ninja hilarious. Let me see. News, entertainment. Yes. Oh, okay. News Diddy's trending. They said Kamala. I guess Kamala's trending as well. Let's see. So yeah, Lil Yachty. I don't think he's trending anymore. Let me see. Lil Yachty. Yahtzee. Okay. That's from the what was that movie called again? When Joker's girl slept with Deadshot. Well, I forgot what that movie what was called. Suicide Squad, but it was like cartoon version. Okay. Okay, so let me be careful when I scroll down because this is Twitter. So yeah, it looks like the only thing that's trending about Lil Yachty is basically him writing all of her verses. That usually happens like that. Like that's normal. Like that's not surprising to me. That's not surprising to me. Like yeah, man. You know what? Thankfully, with this situation with Karrahbooo, whatever her name is, Karrahbooo, I wasn't even OD arguing with people in the comment section this time because when it comes to these certain female artists, I'm like, you guys know that she's not what you think she is. This is a buzz down for the team, but it's a whole lot of simps out here that was trying to. She's genuine. I'm like this bitch. So this time I just let people have it with her because I'm getting tired of having to explain how the industry works. Because even the women with talent have to buzz down. And you think Karrahbooo has talent? She's clearly untalented, so you already know what she had to do. It is what it is, guys.
We have split ways with Kara as far as this concrete.
So this is what I guess what triggered everything, where basically he announced the split. Well, he announced the release of Karrahbooo because this bitch became too much of a liability.
I don't have nothing.
So remember, guys, he made this video before those other live videos that I just showed.
I have nothing to say, nothing bad to say, nothing negative to say about Kara. I wish her the best in her career.
Nobody else gonna pick her up. Nobody else gonna pick her up.
Yeah, we have split ways with Kara as far as this concrete. I don't have nothing.
Oh, okay. This is repeats. Yeah, the Concrete Boys, whatever those guys was called. So Karrahbooo is the girl in the middle. Now I'm not sure who this other 304 is, but I'm pretty sure it's the same program with her, whoever she is. I don't know, have no idea who this broad is. But this is Karrahbooo right here, right? You should see the comment section though, where like Karrahbooo like had like a freestyle with the Concrete Boys, whatever at whatever thing that it was doing. And man, the male simps, bro, they can't admit that they're just attracted to her. So they're just going to give her the benefit of the doubt and not really do their analysis on who this person is and do the background research and actually assess her talent or lack thereof, you know. But shout out to the woman in the comment section. You know, there's a lot of women in there that's actually on Lil Yachty's side. Shout out to the ladies here. So one lady says, "I believe him. He's unproblematic." I see one that says, "I know I'm getting old because Lord, what the hell is a Karrahbooo? And why should I Karrahbooo?" Oh, that's a dude here, but that's funny. But shout out to the ladies here. They said he sounds hurt. To be honest, of course he's hurt. Yeah, because he, you know, he didn't want to let her go, but I can tell when the girl she's Karrahbooo, she always has come across as first of all, she's a straggle. And then second of all, did I say first of all already? I don't remember. But anyway, second of all, she just looks like a liability. And I'm sorry to judge a book by its cover. Even though that was like my yearbook. Oh, let me stop talking. But I'm sorry to judge a book by its cover, but she's always looked like a liability. And her skills, just looking at her skill or lack thereof, because I don't think she has any skills. And I've always suspected that Lil Yachty was writing for her. I always suspected this. Or if not Lil Yachty, was somebody else that was literally writing all of her stuff. You know, one comment she said, if Yachty said he wrote your shit, he for sure wrote your ish. Oh Lord, man. He said men can express themselves just like women. Shout out to the ladies here for spotting that. She said, I know a lover spat when I see it. What's really going on? Facts. They was screwing. They were definitely screwing around. This is why I like speaking on like the hip hop stuff or the conspiracy stuff, because I love it when the men and the woman can actually this is how you know when we write, when the man and the woman, we come to the same conclusion and they're like, oh yeah, they screwing. That's how you know. It's like it's undeniable. It's undeniable. And it looks like people in the comment section they're like, yeah, he's going through it because they used to screw. But yeah, man, remember, I don't know if people remember, because I remember I showed these videos. Like literally what, in February. So that was what, 5 months ago or 6 months ago. Yeah, about literally 6 months ago I showed these videos. So we already knew Ish was gonna hit the fan eventually. We already knew. So I'll probably do a live stream on this. I'll definitely do a live stream on this. Oh man, I said I was gonna do a live stream on a lot of things, but I gotta touch this up because a lot of people they still don't understand how the industry works.